Hi children, welcome back to the lesson Web Services. In this video, we will learn about e-shopping. E-shopping or electronic shopping. E-shopping or online shopping is the process of buying goods and services from the merchants who sell their products on internet. Online shopping is a quick, convenient way to buy almost any product you could possibly imagine. While there are some risks shopping this way, if you know how to identify a secure online store and how to protect yourself, you should be able to shop with confidence. To have the best possible experience buying online, there are a few important things to remember, and it all starts with your computer at home. Making sure your computer's operating system and internet browser are up to date. And installing some good malware protection software is your first line of defense against viruses, malware, or fraudulent activity. To further protect sensitive information like credit card numbers, your best bet is to shop from home. Avoid using public Wi-Fi or public PCs. If you have purchased products online before, you are probably familiar with some of the larger retailers like Amazon or eBay. These sites have become so popular in part because they have earned a good reputation for protecting their customers' personal information. With sites like these, there is less to worry about in general. If you find yourself shopping on an unfamiliar site, make sure to look for HTTPS and the padlock symbol in the address bar. These things indicate that the site is SSL encrypted, which means it provides the security necessary to better protect your personal information. And always be sure to make note of phone numbers and physical addresses so you know how to make contact in case there is a problem with your transaction. It is also a good idea to do some research on what you are buying and who you are buying from. If you are tempted to buy something from an online store you have never shopped with before, take a minute to do a quick search to see if you can find any reviews, no matter what site you are shopping on. Whenever you log in with an online retailer, you want to make sure your passwords are strong, long, and different for every site you shop with. This will make it harder for your account to be hacked, further protecting your privacy. Once you are ready to purchase something, there are a few things to keep in mind when it comes to safe payment options. Credit cards are generally your safest option. Or you can also use an online payment service like PayPal, Google Wallet, Paytm, etc. These services keep your credit card information stored on a secure server, allowing you to make purchases through them without revealing sensitive information to retailers. After you have made a purchase, print or save your records of the transaction. Keeping a paper of your purchase will be valuable in the event that you have to dispute anything later. Above all else, remember you never send cash through the mail. Use a money ordering service, give out your social security number, or send your credit card information over email. Legitimate retailers will never ask for this, and if one does, it's pretty much a surefire indication that you are about to be scammed. It probably is, and if anything seems suspicious, don't make the purchase. Here are some e-shopping websites: Flipkart, eBay, Amazon, etc. Advantages of e-shopping. We have infinite options to choose a product. Most of the sites provide money back guarantee. If we do not find any product within our country, then we can shop online from an international store. Finding a product is much more easier than looking from the local store. Businesses benefit from immediate funds availability, and mostly customers pay for the product through online e-payment. It can reduce major infrastructure cost to the business. E-shopping helps move products faster from manufacturer to the customer, and it can skip unnecessary storage. Disadvantages of e-shopping. Customers are not able to touch and feel the products. We may have to wait for delivery. The access of this shopping depends entirely on availability of the internet. Businesses have to continually protect against fraud and returning of the products sold. We may be a victim of online fraud. In this video, we have learned
e-shopping or online shopping?